This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting where deletions linger, recently deleted. Open Notes and tap Folders, then open Recently Deleted right away. Look for the note. If it's there, tap Edit or swipe to reveal Move To. Choose the folder you want and restore it instantly. This works because Apple holds deleted notes for 30 days. Once you move it back, you regain attachments and formatting. If you don't see it, don't panic. Next, we check iCloud and device backups to recover older or permanently removed items. Once done with recently deleted, confirm notes syncing in settings under your Apple ID and iCloud. If sync was on, visit iCloud. On a browser, sign in, and check notes there. Sometimes web storage still has the item. If you don't find it, inspect iPhone backups. Check settings, right arrow general, right arrow iPhone storage for local snapshots, or connect to Finder or iTunes on a computer to view backups. If a backup predates deletion, you can restore that backup to recover the note. Note that to finish, pick the best restore path. Use Finder or iTunes to restore a dated backup, or perform an iCloud restore if available. Make sure you back up current data before restoring so you can revert. If backups aren't an option, consider a reputable third-party recovery tool as a last resort and follow its instructions carefully. If nothing appears, toggle iCloud notes off and on and wait. Sometimes resync resolves missing items. Troubleshooting tip: if notes remain missing after 24 hours, avoid further writes and seek backup-based recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.